Oh man, I ran out of filament again. What if I told you there's a way you'll never run out of filament again? Really? I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is Make or Build It. How many times have you run out of filament and your print has either paused or pretty much failed because of that? Well, I'm going to show you a neat trick in Bambu Labs that's actually going to help you when you actually run out of filament. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. So, when I was printing this cosplay horn, I basically ran out of filament, and as you can see here, I went from the white to the purple. Now, there's a setting in Bambu Labs that actually you could put on that if you run out of filament like we did here with our white, it will switch to another filament in your AMS. Let's see how that works. First you hit settings, then you hit AMS options, and as you can see, AMS filament backup is on. Now what will happen, we were printing on spool number 2. So we ran out of filament here. So what happened is it went next to spool number 1, and if that ran out, it would go to spool number 3 and spool number 4. But the one thing you have to keep in mind is your materials. So for instance, these were all PLA, so it would go through the sequence of all 4. But if number 1 was PETG, it would have only printed from number 2, then it would have went to number 3, because that's PLA, and number 4. So as long as all your materials are the same, you'll be able to use all 4 spools of filament in order to complete a print. I hope this little trick saved you some time and some frustration for your 3D prints. For more on 3D printing, 3D modeling, and other technology, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.